Okay, so we start with part number two of the lecture two. And the second part, as we mentioned again, is going to be about the engineering design in the CAD. And I think that by now you understand what the CAD is, which is a part of the computer-aided engineering. So it's going to talk about the computer-aided design and the using of the SolidWorks for the computer-aided design. So we start with the engineering design, the CAD part, the computer-aided design and the product development. We said that the computer-aided design is going to be one of the parts of the computer-aided engineering in general that consists of the computer-aided design, the computer-aided analysis, and the computer-aided manufacturing. So the CAD will allow us for the range of the activities, like for example, modeling a 2D and 3D geometry to creating the drawings that document the design for the manufacturing and the legal considerations. The computer-aided engineering will allow the users to simulate and analyze structures that will be subject to the various temperatures, static loads, or the fluctuating loads. The computer-aided manufacturing will provide a computerized control for the manufacturing processes. So the computer is very common to be used as a drafting tool. Most of the people who create technical drawings use CAD, and the advantages include the accuracy, the speed, and the ability to present a spatial and visual information in a variety of ways. One benefit of the CAD is the ability to draw a perfectly straight uniform lines and other geometric elements. Making changes to the CAD drawings takes about a tenth of the time that it's going to be takes to edit the drawings by hand. So we can see here that pictorial drawings of all types can be created by using the 3D CAD model. So this is the dimensional vectorial view from the 3D model, and we can take it to a parts and represent each one of the parts of the assembly individually. We can write down what we call the bill of material, and for each part can be also sketched individually with more details including the dimensions. So the advantage of the CAD systems are, first, changes in the design can be made quickly and their effects seen straight away. Also, the design can be viewed from any angle without being redrawn. The design also can be tested without the need to build expensive models or prototypes. The drawings can be stored on a disk and reused at any time, including the modifications. The designs also can be instantly sent anywhere in the world using the electronic communications. And finally, design can be used directly in a computer-aided manufacturing processes. Still have disadvantages, like it can be very expensive to set up. A single industrial robot can cost millions, and also it can take a long time to train people to use more complex equipment. And third point is going to be little need for the poorly qualified workers. And finally, a fewer people are going to be needed, and this can result in higher unemployment. We at the Western Sydney Uni and in education in general, we're using the SolidWorks for the CAD. So we use the SolidWorks Education Edition, and that's what we used last week. So you can see that all these drawings actually has been made by the SolidWorks. So using the SolidWorks for the CAD can be started by having a 2D hand sketch, and then I can generate a 3D parts, and multiple parts can make a 3D assemblies, and then I can convert it to a 2D engineering drawings. So that's it for this week. What we covered was in the engineering drawings. We had an overview, a view of the views and the projections, the orthogonal projection, the sizes and the dimensions, the sections, views, and the drawing sheets. Also, we talked about the engineering design and the CAD, and we talked about the computer-aided design in general and using all the SolidWorks for the CAD process. The reading for this week is going to be the lectures, tutorials, and the practice notes. Next week, we're going to talk about the geometric dimensioning and tolerancing for the lecture, and we're going to have a tutorial on the same topic. Thank you for listening, and see you soon.